Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel here at the McCalls kitchen. We know we've been gone a little while, but we're so excited to be recording here in studio again. We've been working on a lot behind the scenes, a lot of new products and collections coming up for the festive season. We've got Canada Day that we're going to be going for today, and we have Halloween and Christmas that we've been working on behind the scenes, so stay tuned for some new product coming. And let's get started on this fun Canada Day cake today. In front of us today, we've got all of our McCalls buttercream and sprinkles and gel colors that we're going to be using to decorate this cake. As you can see, I've cut our cake into a flag, so we're going to be decorating it into the Canada flag for Canada Day. We've got a little maple leaf that we're going to be adding on after, and we're going to have some fun with our piping bags. So I've got quite a few different tips in our piping bags. We're going to be doing some different patterns, and at the end, we're going to see it all come together. We've colored our buttercream using these two colors here, Bright Red and Super Red by McCalls, and it gave us this beautiful vibrant red color that we wanted to go for. So I'm going to start off with the outer edges and we'll work our way into the center with the white. So we'll get started with our red first. So I've got my open star tip here, and I'm going to start with some rosettes. So again, we're going to start on the outside and work our way in. And with these, you can really just have fun with it. You can place your buttercream anywhere as long as you're staying along the shape. So we're gonna kind of map out that we want our red to end there so we can go into the center with our white. All right, I'm gonna switch my piping bag. We're gonna go into the ribbon tip here. And I always love this one because you can just have so much fun with it. See what I mean by you start to fill in the gaps? Once you're working on the bigger, you're always going to want to go to the smallest tip at the end. For this one, I have a smaller version of our open star. With this, you can do some rope borders, you can do some swirls, so I'll show you right here. We can do a couple little swirls. You can also do a little bit of a rope. I love ropes. These are my go-to when decorating cupcakes. All right, you see, with just a little bit of piping, we've got the sides already done, and now we can start with our centers. So following the same concept, we're gonna use our two bigger piping bags first. This is one of my favorite tips because it just covers so much area. We're gonna go in with our second largest tip, which is the open circle tip. With this, I'm just gonna create some nice circles here. And then lastly, our tip similar to the bigger tip that we were using here. We can go in and make some rope borders, we can make some swirls, smaller swirls. And then if you have any buttercream left over, you can go in and just fill in any gaps that you see. And for that, you're gonna wanna go in with your smallest tips. So you do not overdo the buttercream. All right, our Canada flag is looking amazing already, but it needs some sprinkles. So I'm gonna go in with some red sprinkles, keeping it only on the red part so we can keep the center available for our flag, our maple leaf that we're gonna add. These cakes are great to take to a party. They're so easy. You just gotta bake some cake, cut it into the shape that you want, and then just some simple buttercream like we did today. I love these little maple leaf sprinkles that McCalls has. These are perfect. So as easy as you saw me do it here today, this is pretty much all done now. And the final touch is gonna be the leaf for the center to bring our Canada flag together. And there you have it. This turned out absolutely amazing, and I told you it's so easy to make. It's also just as easy to eat. These are easy to slice up, serve to your guests at your next party or your Canada Day party that you might be hosting. We hope you enjoyed watching today. Stay tuned for some really exciting videos that we have coming up, and we hope you have an amazing and safe Canada Day. Watch some fireworks with your family and really just enjoy that quality time. See you soon.